Welcome to an absolute oceanfront masterpiece, custom built to celebrate its stunning setting while offering every conceivable luxury. This extraordinary residence boasts breathtaking 180-degree views, featuring an impressive 15.6 metre frontage to one of the world's most celebrated vistas. With front row seats to the ever-changing ocean spectacle, this four-storey home exemplifies contemporary coastal design that beautifully captures and responds to its remarkable location. Set on a rare 834 square metre double block, this residence is enveloped by a series of terraces, creating a fluid connection between line, volume, and horizon, giving the sensation of floating above the ocean. Walls of glass maximise the impact of the jaw-dropping views, while a robust concrete and steel structure ensures enduring presence in its landscape. Designed around a dynamic internal courtyard, this 6-bedroom home features over 700 square metres of internal space, multiple living areas, and a self-contained apartment ideal for intergenerational living. The custom Italian polyform kitchen, with its cantilevered island and a full suite of Millet and Gaggenau appliances, opens to an epic dining room adorned with soaring 5-metre ceilings and dramatic walls of glass. With an infinity pool seemingly floating above the endless ocean, this home is a retreat in itself. Nestled in this breathtaking setting, residents can witness nature's wonder, from whale migrations to playful dolphins, all while enjoying easy access to coastal paths leading to Coogee and Maroubra beaches. This exceptional residence represents the pinnacle of luxury coastal living, offering a unique opportunity to own a truly spectacular home.